In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add JSON data to Google Sheets using n8n. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to automatically take data from a JSON file and add it to Google Sheets using n8n. If you've never used n8n before, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step and explain exactly what each node does. Let's get started. First, we'll read your JSON file. Picture opening a box of data stored on your computer. In n8n, add the read binary file, often labeled as the read JSON file node in templates. This node fetches a file from your machine so the workflow can use it. Point it to your JSON file. Think of it as opening a folder and taking out a spreadsheet so you can work with it. The goal here is simply to bring that raw data into the workflow so the next step can process it. Next, we'll prepare the data. Imagine cleaning and formatting the data so it's ready to use. Add the Move Binary Data To node. Under the hood, JSON files are read as binary, which computers handle well but isn't immediately useful for a spreadsheet. This node converts that binary payload into structured data, actual fields and values, that n8n can pass along. After this conversion, each JSON object is treated like a row-ready record, which makes it perfect for appending into a sheet. Now, we'll append the data to Google Sheets. Picture dropping the cleaned data neatly into a spreadsheet. Add a Google Sheets node, similar to Google Sheets 1. Connect it after the converter, choose your spreadsheet and worksheet, and set the range to AC if your data has 3 columns. Use OAuth2 Authentication so n8n can access your Google account securely. This node appends each item as a new row, ensuring nothing gets overwritten. If your sheet already has headers, make sure your field names match those columns so everything lines up correctly. So what happens in this workflow? n8n reads a JSON file from your computer, converts the raw file into structured data that Google Sheets understands, and then automatically appends each entry to your sheet, keeping everything organized and up to date. This approach removes manual copy-paste work, which is perfect for importing user data, logs, or reports into a spreadsheet. It saves time, reduces human error, and runs reliably each time you execute the workflow. And that's it. With just 3 nodes, you've automated the process of importing JSON data into Google Sheets, making your workflow faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and happy building with n8n.